Welcome to Music Teaching Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to create your account in BandLab for education. If you received an invitation from your teachers, so this tutorial is for you. For my students, you will receive your invitation link via EduPage or Gmail. Okay, so let's get started. So this is an example of the link. So what you're going to do, you can just right click and copy the link and paste it in your browser. Now it's loading. And the link will lead you to the sign in. Okay. So since this is your first time, you need to sign up first. Now, for my students, you can use your Spectrum Google account. And for other students out there, you can use either your personal account or your school's accounts as well. Your name first. Let's say, for example, Mr. Chris. Okay. I'm going to put here my Gmail. And you type your password. And sign up. And after that, you will see this one, complete your profile. You can just complete this later. And this is your username, right? And click continue. And there you go. Okay, so this is now our BandLab account for Spectrum. So if you go to assignments, you will be able now to track the assignment. So you can see here, trial assignment for SIS. You can just click that and you will be able to see your assignment. You can do start the assignment or leave your comment. And you will be able to see here who is the owner and you are a student. Okay, so that's all from me. So that's how you create your account in BandLab.